National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Okaloosa-Walton County line to Pensacola, Florida, out 20 nautical miles, Pensacola Bay Area including Santa Rosa Sound, until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:17 p.m. Central Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from near Blackwater Bay Bridge to 6 nautical miles southeast of Pensacola Beach, moving northeast at 20 knots. Hazard: waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar. Impact: waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Navarre Beach, East Santa Rosa Sound, West Santa Rosa Sound, Pensacola Beach, Fort Walton Liberty Ship Reef, East Bay, Escambia Bay, Okaloosa Pier and Garcon Point Bridge. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following marine locations: Pensacola Bay Area including Santa Rosa Sound, and coastal waters from Okaloosa-Walton County line, Florida to Pensacola, Florida, out 20 nautical miles.